Yeah, good evening, guys, and welcome to Doing Consults once again. And here we'll be bringing you through another week of analysis. Glory to God. Our previous wait seem to be over, and signals will resume back again to the premium and then the free signal group on Telegram. Once again, the description link to that will be dropped below. So please make sure you like this video, you subscribe to the channel, and you drop your comments even as we go by. Thank you. Okay, now to AUDCAD. So from AUDCAD, we won't be taking much of our time this evening. We'll be going straight onto the analysis in proper. If you check, I brought this there. I brought this horizontal line there in order for us to be able to mark this support here. So from here, I'm seeing a bullish engulfer. It has engulfed this before. Now it's eating up harder. So let me go to our 4-hour time frame. Okay, on 4-hour time frame, wow, this is a very good one. This is a very good one. All right, this is a good one. Now let me zoom out and we start out our analysis over in proper. Okay, so what we'll be waiting for at this junction here is we'll be looking into a buy. Yes, we'll be looking into a buy, and we'll be looking into a buy from where this market will be coming to eat back on this horizontal line. So whenever we have a pullback onto that region, then from there we can hope and we can look into the market for a buy. So first of all, we are looking into the market hitting our vertical line, our trend line, then before looking into hitting the market. At least we should be taking our profits within this region since it's a buy. So we are hoping to take a profit about 101 pip, and our stop loss can just be below this point here. Let me check that out. All right, so our stop loss can just still be within the 45, that's 44.8 pips, which is still bearable, and to make a profit of about 100 pips. All right, so for AUDCAD, we'll be looking into buy, and I hope this will bring us better profits even as the week goes by. Thank you. Okay, leaving here, let's go to AUD USD. Sorry, the chart seems so complex, but we can see that over the number of time our analysis have been working on this pair. So analyzed it, we're going on buy, and it's still well on that trend. I'll be deleting up all this, so it won't be too clumsy. Okay, now let's check on our D1 what the market seems to be giving us. Okay, so on our D1 we can also notice it's a buy trend. So but on our 4-hour time frame we can get to pick out when we are to enter the market. So on this pair, it's good we wait for the market to trace itself back here on a pullback before we decide to go into the market, and we can get to take our profit at least at this region here. So let's hope taking our profit at this place, and our stop loss can just be below here. So but please guys, I need us to be very careful on this pair because in a longer term it seems as if it's falling into a kind of range, but we are taking this pair because we've noticed a breakout here over the range, and since you can notice a breakout at the end of the range, it definitely means nothing than the pair was pushing above that range. Now how do I mean? Over here you can see that below, that when we had a breakout below, this is the breakout candle here, and okay, I will show you with a crosshair now. Now when we had a breakout candle here, you can see the market pushed up, and then we had another zigzag for a little while then the market pushing up again. So we should be expecting nothing less than the market pushing further up from this junction here. All right, so I'm hoping this market will bring us better profits even as the week goes by. So for AUD USD, we are looking into a buy, and I hope it brings us more profits. All right, guys, now we'll be moving straight away to Euro USD. Now on Euro USD, we can see that we are also having a very good bullish pair. Our analysis have been working on this pair as well. So we're also having a very good bullish trend here, and we'll be analyzing based on that. So let's move straight to our 4-hour time frame. Let me zoom a little bit and let's see what's going on. So on our 4-hour time frame, okay, sorry. All right, I'm trying to pick out something very good. All right, so on our 4-hour time frame, we can see the pair going on well. So but for the Euro USD, I like us to have a good patience until we see it hitting the trend line in a reversal mode before we continue to follow the trend in an uptrend. So at least we are not expecting it. We are expecting it to get to this higher high, this current higher high, and that will be a very good one. That will be about 113 pips, which I think is very good enough for the market. And stop loss can just be just far below this region, okay, so which I feel it's fair enough. So for for EUR USD, we are hoping to go in the market for a buy as the week opens, and I'm sure this will give us a better profit even as the week runs by. Okay, guys, I'll be moving straight to the GBP USD without wasting time. On the GBP USD, we have we've been having similar trend. I think on the Euro pairs, we've been having very similar trend. We can see as well that the market is breaking out again on a bullish candle, and this is a very strong bullish candle. It's a very strong one. So please let's note those candles and before we continue to trade. Now straight to our 4-hour time frame, we can see on our 4-hour time frame. So here we are having a pin bar, which is indicating the market ended at that point, so which is indicating the price are likely to reverse. So although we are sure this market is going to be going on a buy trend at least for a while, but nonetheless I still expect us to wait for a pullback a little. At least the pullback is not something that will be so much. Pullback within this region is just about waiting for a pullback of about 41 pips. All right, so let's wait for a pullback here before we look into buying the market. So we should be expecting buying the market onto this previous high, onto that previous high there. So I'm coming around, and I'm coming around to show us where our stop losses can get to be. Our stop loss can get to be there. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. How many pips are we going to get using this particular one? Okay, we are looking into about 139 pips. Wow, that's so much. That's so much. I think we can get to shift, since we're looking into that, we can get to shift our stop loss to this area here. Last stop loss, sorry, I think that's too much. Last stop loss be within here. All right, so our stop loss is just within 55 pips, which I think is still fair enough. So I hope the GBP USD for the week, even as we go on a buy, will give us better profit. All right, yeah, we are going on the USDCAD now. For the USDCAD, well, okay, we analyze the market to be going on a sell. Now you can see the pair is going on a very good sell, and here we are having a reversal trend, but never mind, we're still going to look into the markets. Our daily time frame will tell us what we are to look and do in the market. So I'm trying to delete up this. I'm happy we can see our analysis are working. These are tested analysis and they are fine, doing well. So let's go to the daily time frame to check it out, what is going on. let's zoom through. Whoa, so okay, I think firstly from the monthly time frame we can see a double top. We can see a double top here. So, and when we note that it's a sign that the market is still going to go where on a sell. So, but lately we should be seeing that for this pair it will be approaching sorry, let me bring this down. Okay, for this pair to be approaching this bottom here, so that is the particular support, and that is about, wow, that's a lot. That's about 215 pips, which I think we can still gather something sweet in the USD CAD, in the USDCAD. So let's go to our 4-hour time frame. Let's look into straight and see what we are going to do. Okay, sorry, the pair looks so shady somehow. Looks so shady. Okay, now but on our pair, what we'll be looking into is we don't really need much. I think we should just consider a few pullback. Let's consider a few pullback at least to this previous resistance, and from there we should hope in taking our sell option. We should hope in taking our sell option. At least put your target at about 100 and let your stop loss be here. Put your target at about 100 pips and your stop loss at nothing less than maybe 50, within 45 to 50, and at the max 55 pips, at the max 55 pips interval. All right, so for the USD CAD, this is what we'll be looking into. It will be bringing us a better profit even as we go forth for a short in this pair. Okay, let's move to USDCHF and see what is going on within the pair. Let's zoom in and back to our daily time frame. Whoa, on our daily time frame we can see it's rushing down in a massive selling option. I'm happy our analysis is working. If I go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see we predicted it going on the sell the previous time, and the analysis is working in line to that. The analysis is working in line to that. All right. Okay, so but now we are going to be looking into a newer analysis. So from our 4-hour time frame, the first thing you need to do is always locate area of what you feel as the nearest support, or a very quick support or resistance, and a very strong region. So we'll be choosing it here. So we're expecting the market at least to pull back for a while to this junction here, and then we'll be hoping to take our profits this other place here. Okay, so I'm still going to calculate it, please. Let's just check through. All right, I'm picking this. Let's see. So our stop loss can just be a little bit above that. Our stop loss can be within this region here. So here we are looking into, we are looking into picking out about, okay, about 80 pips, 83 pips, which I think is fair enough, and 47 pips to be our stop loss. So for the USDCHF, I hope it will bring us better profits even as we short it during the course of the week. Okay guys, let's go to the last one for the week. That will be the USDJPY. The USDJPY we can see. Let's start first of all with our okay, now on our daily time frame we can see it giving us a very good pattern here. So the trend is still gushing down with good force. It's still gushing down with good force. So what do we do and what are we seeing? So in this market we are open and we are looking into selling. We're hoping the market will sell and we are looking into selling. So let's go to our 4-hour time frame to check it out in proper. So on our 4-hour time frame, okay, I think there's a lot. We won't be using this, it's not needed. Rather still we'll be using our support and resistance to mark points, an area of strong rejection. All right, let's highlight area of strong rejection at this point here. So we're expecting the market to pull back to this place, pull back at this place. That's at 108.715, and then from there the market continues to go in a sell trend onto right, yeah, at least until this, until 107.801. That's about 89 or 88 pips. Yeah, I'm purposely putting it there because I feel over here we had the market changing. So before the market could get up or catch up with us, you would have taken whatever you want to take in the market and you are out of the market. So our stop loss can still range within here, so which I think is still bearable enough. All right, so please remember to like and subscribe the video. Do as well to share with your people, friends, and for our free Signal channel, the link will be provided below. So, and please guys, be careful while you trade during the course of the week. News are real and they have impacts in your trade. And also note and understand that trading is very risky and you are liable to lose all or parts of your investments. So please ensure you check out for price action well before you begin to trade, and then also be good with your risk management. Be good with your risk management. Okay, so we'll see you next week, and we hope this week in general will give us good profits. Thank you so much, and see you next week.